Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm the founder of ConfExcel. I started ConfExcel because of my passion for self-development and Microsoft Excel, and because I want to help others to grow, to learn, and to keep up with the continuously changing world. This project is all about becoming better and succeed in life. There are two parts of this project. The tools, which will help you improve your life quality, business, or financial awareness, and the book that will help you learn efficiently new skills for Microsoft Excel. The tools are grouped in few categories: financial awareness, crypto investment, business management, time management, and goal achievement. The book is built like a brochure. It's fun and it's easy to understand. In the end, I really hope you will join us in this new journey. Read more about this project below and become part of it.